Hi guys, again this is Ngun and Cody channel. Our channel is Cool Beans Couple, like separate letter, Cool Beans with the S, B-E-A-N-S, couple. Anyway, today is Monday, December 7, 2020, and I'm going to do another unboxing for you guys. In case if you missed the last time I did a Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories bag, and you can check the link that Cody will create for me, and then you can watch that last video if you missed that channel. And then here we are, and before I do that, this time is going to be Coach unboxing. This is my second video unboxing, plus there's more things to come. An example are Hermes small leather goods, SLG, and as you see here, all these boxes are unopened yet, and they are going to be open for the next videos. And here's our, as someone can tell already, what's inside in these items. And here I have a lot more to come for you guys to do unboxing. And here we are, the unboxing. The second time I purchased is a Coach. And as you see, I'm not a fan of Coach or Michael Kors, but I feel like if I would like to do like some throwback, I'm gonna try to throw some shade, but I'm just saying that most of my items are kind of high end. But this Coach bag is okay. I can use for my work. An example, if I have like iPad or some type of heavy item, and this will be like a functional bag. And no further ado, let's reveal it. Okay. So, and before I do that, one more thing. I just purchased this the China small cabinet, or like a glass cabinet thing or shelf, and I have some item here. Valentino and other bags and Hermes, of course. I used to collect Michael Kors 5 years ago, but as people change their mind, I change my mind too, so I keep changing to different items or different fashion brands. But anyway, so no further ado, let's reveal this time's Coach bag. This will be like a functional bag. It's not high-end thing, but guess what? I love this bag. As soon as I see this bag, I say, okay, this is for me. And the sales associate told me they just got this bag this year, 2020. So she told me like a full kind of Christmas thing. So here we are. Okay, y'all ready? So put it aside. Again, this will be coming soon to do unboxing. This Hermes small leather goods and accessories. And here's the Coach. We are ready. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! This is the bag. It's a tote bag, and I think it's so pretty. It has a tag here, and also, if you see, like America's original Coach New York House of Leather, and here's a small charm. How cute is this? Take a look at it. Let's attach it. And here's the charm, the panda charm with the Coach stamp here. Is so cute, and it's so heavy. Look at that. Let me just come closer to the camera. And here is the Coach. You can see the Coach charm. It's so cute, isn't it? I love this Coach charm. It's so heavy, and you can see all his like a Coach, everything that they stamp Coach, Anyway, so here's the bag, and here's the tag, and this is, the price is $450 plus tax, so it's almost $500. But anyway, it's not bad, compared to Hermes, Birkin, or other fashion house, other fashion brands. So here we are. Here is the bag inside, and it also has this strap, which I didn't remove yet, so you can attach the strap here, and here's also, but I prefer to use as a, because inside is here, you have a zipper compartment here, another zipper compartment here, and yeah, so you can carry, and there's another like a snap, magnetic snap closure, and you just carry like this. How neat is this? So you can put your laptop and all kind of heavy item. This is a canvas and this is a leather bottom with the feet. Look at this, it's so nice. It's gonna be very functional, bags, and still looks good. And so here is the bag, and this is how you're gonna carry it, and with the charm. I love it. I love. And as I said, you can attach the strap here, and pretty much that's it. So again, thanks for watching, and so please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Our channel name is Cool Beans Couple. Thank you so much for watching, and here's more to come. Thanks for watching, guys.